In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal donate button. Let's dive into the process step by step to make it as easy and seamless as possible for you. First things first, you'll want to head over to the PayPal homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is typically situated at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password on the next page. After doing so, click login to access your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Pay and Get Paid section. This is typically found on the dashboard once you're in your account. It's your gateway to start setting up everything you need for payment buttons. Under this section, focus on the option labelled Accept Payments. This is where the magic happens. When you scroll down a bit, you'll see an option to create payment links and button. That's exactly what we need. Give it a click and you should be redirected to a page with options for different types of payment buttons. From this selection, choose Payment Buttons. Now let's start customizing your button. Begin by adding a name and description. This helps donors understand what they're contributing to. This part is crucial because it communicates your cause or objective clearly to potential donors. Then let's move on to customizing the appearance of the button. Choose from the available graphics, or if you prefer, upload your own for a more personalized touch. Next, you'll want to set the pricing option as Customer Set Price. This allows the donors the flexibility to contribute whatever amount they feel comfortable with. Once that's set, look at the option for a single button. You'll want to click on Custom for this. Here's where you type in a label. A simple donate would work beautifully, as it directly communicates the purpose of the button. Once you've completed this setup and are satisfied with how everything looks, click on Build It. This will generate the HTML code for your shiny new donate button. Finally, copy this HTML code and embed it wherever you'd like to receive donations. Whether it's your website, blog, or social media platforms, simply pasting the code into the HTML section of your page will make your button live and operational. And there you have it. Your PayPal donate button is now ready to accept contributions, helping you raise the funds you need. Thanks for following along and happy fundraising.